Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a missing screen brightness slider option in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is sfc space slash scan now. After that press enter. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing this command, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. It's required for a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on the start menu and go to your device manager. After doing this that, first of all go to your monitors, right click, and first of all disable device, and after that enable the device. After doing this that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can go to your display adapter, select it, right click and update the driver. So after updating that, if the windows required the updating, so update the window and install all updates. After doing this that, after installing the updates, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your windows and go to your windows update and update the windows. After updating the windows, if your problem is still facing the error, go to your advanced options and go to your optional updates. Now after doing this step, now you can see that the driver updates is available. So in my cases already some drivers is required updating. So the first driver is that now you can see the monitor. So select the monitor driver and download and install in your system. So after downloading and install the latest driver from a Windows update, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.